Hi, it is Haru from HarusKitchen. I was quite a picky eater when I was a child. I heard that I sometimes didn't eat even a bite, though my mother put her heart into making it. I don't know why, but I judged how it tastes just seeing it. If I actually had tried it, I would have realized it is delicious. But I didn't, because it didn't just look good. My grandmother often said that my mother pampered me too much because I was a picky eater. Now I feel really sorry about it. My grandmother went through the war and had a hard time, so she knows the importance of food. It was unacceptable for her if we regarded a steamed sweet potato as a feast that I choose what to eat. But children don't understand things like that. I was like running away saying, I don't like what I don't. And apparently, my daughter inherited this from me. Sachan chooses what she eats without trying it, with just a glance. She sometimes doesn't eat even a bite, though her mother considered the nutrition and put her heart into making it. It is actually really delicious though. But parenting know-how books say making children eat what they don't want to is not good, and that makes us even more confused. Eventually, we have no choice other than waiting they get old to some extent. What we can do is to make what look good to them. This time, I'm going to make triple color bowl. It is quite a simple dish, but it is delicious and look good. Flaking cod and making it pink, it is pretty and must get a good reaction from children. I am sure she will like it. Let's begin. 200 grams of ground meat. Chicken, pork, blend ones are okay. 3 eggs. 200 grams of fillet of cod. That's all. Fry ground meat. $20 grams of sugar. 2 tablespoonfuls of mirin. 1 tablespoonful of sake. 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. Add a pinch of salt if you like. Hit it with stirring it until all the liquid evaporates. If you want to make the grain apart firmly, you should add seasoning before frying. Next, making roasted egg. 3 eggs. Heat the eggs with each other. Only either of them will be cracked, and you can prevent the shell falling into the food. $20 grams of sugar. A little salt. 1 tablespoonful of sake. Mix firmly. Add a spoonful of vinegar if you want. Strain the egg to get rid of the impurities. Doing this makes the egg pure yellow. Pour egg into a heated pan and scramble. I recommend using 2 couples of chopsticks. Next, making sakura denbu. Put the cod in a saucepan and pour just enough water to cover it. After it boils, turn down the heat to low heat and simmer for around 3 minutes so that the inside of the cod is heated enough. If you don't like the smell of fish, you should soak it in sake in advance. After 3 minutes have passed, put the cut in the cold water and flake it and remove its bones and skin. Remove the water on the cut flakes using paper towel or something. Mince the cut flakes further with a food processor. Next, preparing the seasoning of sakura denbu. Put 2 tablespoonfuls water in a bowl, 20 grams of sugar, half a spoonful of sake, a little salt, a little light food coloring. Mix firmly. Add the cut into the saucepan and pour the seasonings of sakura denbu. Stir and put it on a low heat until the whole becomes pink. Let's dish it up. Done. It looks beautiful and delicious. I will try its taste. Egg is mild and good because it is strained. I will try sakura denbu too. I like it. This is delicious. The minced meat is impeccable. I'm sure the children will be happy to eat this. And the best accompaniment is Asahi Super Dry, as usual. Okay, we will take our time and enjoy it. They ate all because it was colorful and looked good. I think a lot of parents are having the same trouble that children don't eat what you serve as I do. You know, it is so sad since you make a meal as considering health and growth of your children. Some of you might get depressed like they don't eat anything or like, are my dishes not good? But no worry. Children form the self and become picky eaters. But this is temporary and you don't have to worry about it too much. But sometimes they leave some food because the amount of food is too much in the first place. So it is important to change the amount to fit children. And you don't have to make your children eat vegetables which they don't want to eat. It is possible to compensate by other vegetables, and as they get old, they will be able to eat what they cannot eat now. So what you should focus on is not making them eat, but making meals fun. Triple color bowl will help you make fun mealtime. And I have to note that the seasoning for adults is too much for children. If children get used to strong seasoning, they don't eat food lightly seasoned. So let's try to season less heavily than that for adults. It is moderate when it is 1/3 or half as strongly tasted as that for adults. Anyways, the most important thing is whether children enjoy or not. When you say, eat all or you will get sick or something, your children feel obliged to eat and don't enjoy the meals. It is later when they become able to eat well-balancedly. So if they don't eat what you serve, it doesn't matter. Making mealtimes fun brings about the mental and physical growth to your children. Okay, that's it for today. Looking forward to seeing you again. Bye.